Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has seen today a little bit of a pullback like Bitcoin as well. To be honest, you see it. Not too much happened, okay? And I mean, ideally not too much more is gonna happen. What I'd like to see at some point is this fourth wave, which I can't really say has started yet. It is possible that the circle wave 4 has started here, this fourth wave. We talked about that in the previous video already, that obviously this would be the next step to confirm a bullish scenario, that if a pullback happens, we are forming a higher low in circle wave 4, because we're dealing here with two wave counts. They are both bullish. It's just that one of them is short-term bearish, as I explained already in the previous updates. We're dealing with a yellow count, in which a larger degree wave 2 already completed here in January. And then the count is basically wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, wave 3 to the upside. That is pretty full, okay? I mean, that third wave reached the 1.786 Fibonacci extension of the wave 1. That's not overextended, but it already is an extended third wave, right? I mean, normally my first ideal target is the 1.38 extension. I took that out from the chart now because it was reached already. It was around, I think, 2,550 or something, but it was reached. So, you know, and then obviously just to highlight, you know, in relation, you know, where does this target now, or where is the next Fibonacci level? And yeah, I mean, 2,677, that's been the 1.786 extension that was reached. I mean, further upside extensions in wave 3 are still possible in circle wave 3. I still don't have a confirmed top in place really for circle wave 3. I think it's still possible for it to extend further if it really wants to. But I'm watching now for circle wave 4 to unfold. I explained, I think it was in the last video or in one of the updates I sent out today on Telegram and Discord, that to really confirm it's circle wave 4, I actually need a break of the trend line. Yeah, this trend line is like the 1 hour trend line here connecting waves 2 and 4 within wave 3. A break below that would suggest that it's wave 4. So circle wave 4, yeah. And the minimum I'd like to see for circle wave 4 is 2,570. That would really be the bare minimum. If we reach that, it would tell me not so much, because I would still be sort of wondering, okay, was this wave 4? Or is it just sort of another extension of the circle wave 3, you know? So that's going to be difficult. Ideally, you know, I would like to see wave 4 get to 2,504 to 2,452. That would be really ideal. And then a fifth wave to the upside, one further extension should send us obviously above circle wave 3's top. So looking at 2,734 to 2,840, ideally, yeah. Further extension is always possible. The only thing that really shouldn't happen to maintain the bullish outlook in the yellow count is we don't want it to break below $2,400. So a sustained break below that level, below the golden ratio level, would rather shift the emphasis towards the white count, which is the short-term bearish one. In this wave count, wave B would have formed the top, but I will not confirm that until I see a break below 2,401 USD. Okay, so that is really the key level here, the 61.8 retracement level. And I mean, if we talk about sort of this wave 4 here, circle wave 4, these wave 4s often, they tend to end in the area, in the proximity of a previous fourth wave of a lower degree. And you can see that here. I mean, that's this one, right? Around, there was the 12th of February low, around $2,470 basically. Yeah? So that's what I'm watching primarily now. The wave 4, at least I explore the possibility while keeping an open mind. I remain bullish against $2,401, which means that I'm very open to further extensions, but it's a pretty healthy 1, 2, 3. So the wave 4, yeah, ready for it. I think it's just important to know what are the ideal targets for this wave 4. From what we can see right now, I mean, we will be able to calculate them more precisely once we see a wave A and a wave B for wave 4. Then we can calculate the C wave down, which is the third wave of that correction. But yeah, overall, let's see. I mean, maybe we get another extension. I mean, nothing really happened. No, I don't think any support levels broke today from our setups or charts. So there was only the initial micro, or you could say nano support on the Bitcoin chart early today as a result of CPI. But that was really not, it was just an unreliable nano count anyway. But the overall situation hasn't changed so much. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.